So what? We just jump into the deep end and start hunting down G3 officers, or what?
I'm not sure you're ready just yet. I mean, they don't let you fuck the Glumpers at Glumpies without a level 4 fuck pass, do they?
What? I don't know.
Well, they don't. Maybe I should send you out on a little test run first, eh?
Okay, sure.
I've got just the thing. A small-time local gangster by the name of TORG. She took my favorite knife. She's got an operation out in the slums. Maybe you kill her and get my knife back. Then we'll talk. Maybe take you out to Glumpies to celebrate.
All right, so we just head out to the slums?
No, moron. You gotta use the Bounty 5000 to initiate a bounty. That's what I went through all the trouble of setting it up for.
Okay, Jesus.
Shit. Normally that door would open up a gateway that lets you walk right through it.
So what do we do?
Calm down. The bounty's right here in Blim. You mind just heading out on foot? The slums gateway ain't too far from here. I'll get the Bounty 5000 all fixed up while you're gone.
Yeah, sure. All right, let's go, Bounty Hunter.
So bounty hunting, huh? Are you really going to kill people?
Actually, we've killed a couple people already, you know. And so did you. So soon we forget.
Fine, I guess I'll just hang around at home and wait for you to do all your little murders.
Are you mad at us or jealous?
Jealous? I want to kill evil aliens too. Go ahead, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Maybe I'll go see what the drinking age is here in space.
So this is your bedroom, huh? It's fine. I mean, I don't really know what I was expecting, to be honest.
What are you, confused? This ain't warp science, kid. Go head out to the city, get into the slums, kill TORG, and get my goddamn knife back. Don't forget to get my knife!
We're looking for the gateway to the slums, I guess? Look, it shouldn't be too far. Listen, just follow the waypoint. That's why you're wearing that fancy suit, isn't it? I mean, it's got the augmented reality thing on it, right?
Hello, citizens. I'm Blim City Magistrate Clug Nugman, and I have heard your concerns. Murder rates are on the rise. The city's water supply has clearly been poisoned again by Gary the Poisoner, and the mandatory sexual repression shifts that we put in our elderly citizens.
Hey, kid, excuse me, can we get we need to make our way into the slums, please?
No. Hold on. So you really want to get into the slums, huh? Then settle a bet for us.
Come on. Don't make him answer this,
No,
man.
I want to know.
It's fine, we'll help.
Okay, great. If you saw us at the bar, which of us would you ask out?
Eradicated. And that's the Clug Nugman promise. Thanks to our new Blim City.
I guess the red guy.
Whoa, seriously?
Okay, come on. You don't gotta say that just to make him feel better. He's a big boy. He can take it if you think he's way uglier than me.
No. They said me. They picked me, dude. They picked me, not you. They picked me. They said I was hotter, not you.
Well, it's true. Look at you. I'm not a liar, man. I never lied in my life. I look at you and I see filth.
No, well, that's not what they said. They said they picked me. They said I was hotter. Didn't you say that?
Listen, we're not switching around here. We picked the red guy. That's the direction we're moving in.
Thank you. Thank God. Thank you so much for that changing. I really thought you were going to flake on me. Thank you.
No, fuck you. Change your mind right now. Pick me instead. This is insane. I am so much hotter.
You need to chill out, all right? They picked me, and that's final. That's a final pick. If you want to throw a fit, do it on your own time. Just let me have this one time, man. Hey, thanks for being honest. Look, don't tell anyone, but you can go through my door anytime you want from now on. Our little secret. Free passage in and out of the slums.
Wow, thank you. You have no idea how helpful that is.
Well, my door's locked forever. You made an enemy today. You're never, ever gonna get to use my door.
Well, you know what? That's fine, because we have this other door that works just as well. I think we handled that as best we could, you know?
I've never been topside.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it's a topsider.
Not interested.
Hey, oh my god, I broke my fucking leg coming down that pipe. Be careful.
Sorry to hear that.
Well, look what we got here. Fresh meat. Hey there, fresh meat. Welcome to the slums, fresh meat.
Oh boy, here we go. Fucking kid.
What's wrong, fresh meat?
Whoa, what are you doing? Come on, he's just a kid. Don't shoot him.
Oh, you don't want to shoot me just 'cause your gun said not to, just 'cause you're your little gun. Oh, but you look how shootable I look. I look so shootable. Come on, let's see what you got, fresh meat. If you can't handle me, how are you gonna deal with 9 torgs?
We're wearing an unregistered bounty.
Shit, we gotta take down these drones. I am not shooting a kid.
Go ahead, do it. Shoot me, fresh meat. Shoot me. See what happens. Oh, don't I look so shootable? Ow! Am I supposed to be impressed? You shot all the drones? I could have done that with my eyes closed. Fuck you, fresh meat. You suck. Look at fresh meat getting flustered by a little kid.
Just ignore.
Hey, get back here. Fresh meat. I'm not done with you.
You must have met my son. He calls everyone fresh meat. Thanks for not shooting him. Things have been really hard since his annoying dad got shot and killed. It's been hard because even though my annoying husband is gone, my son is still so annoying too. So go ahead and kill him if you really want to. I'm not gonna stop you. I'd love to not have any annoying family members left.
Don't shoot the hook bug. That's probably somebody's pet.
Hey, you can't pass through here. It's 9 Torg's turf.
Jesus, enough with everyone getting in our way. We just want to kill 9 Torg.
Yeah, right. You kill 9 Torg? Get lost, shitheel. Hey, what are you doing? What the fuck? Holy shit, you just killed Jason. Jason's dead.
Hey, stay where
Oh shit, here we go. We're gonna have to kill some of these Torg foot soldiers to prove ourselves around here. These people think we're weak. Not on my watch.
What are you, some kind of bounty hunter? The slums are full, asshole. Yeah, this is 9 Torg's turf. The coolest turf.
Shit, they're shooting at us. Don't shoot back. Come on, shoot back.
It's gonna be so easy to kill you. 9 Torg training's real good. We're the toughest enemies in the game, I think.
I think I'm spraying something. I guess this time I ruined your picnic. Guess the party isn't over yet.
Just let us kill. We're in agony. You get it? Antagonist.
Come on, if you let us kill you, it'll make us
Come back.
I always hated Alien Ant Farm.
Where I can see you.
Wow, all right, we got them all. Usually these Torgs aren't so hostile. Something must be going on. Let's look around for somebody who can help us. So you think maybe there's somebody friendly around here who can help? I mean, maybe try using your scanner, you know, on your suit. Sorry, I don't mean to be a backseat driver. I'm just sharing my ideas.
I'm so lonely over here. I got all this great information I could share. I'm just sitting here, fishing away, waiting for someone to come over and ask me stuff. I'm just gonna whistle to myself for a bit now, till someone talks to me. Hello there, friend. Can I help you?
Do you know how we can get to 9 Torg?
Buddy, all I know is fish, and I barely know fish. But let's just pretend there's a laundromat you can sneak through to get to Sludge Works over there.
Are we pretending, or is there really a laundromat?
Come on, kid, take the hint. Either we're pretending, or 9 Torg's goons kill me for squealing.
Okay, I got it. We're pretending.
Oh, Christ, just follow that path along the sludge.
So, what exactly are you doing out here?
What? I'm fishing. You can tell I'm fishing, right?
Oh, right, duh, of course, sorry. It's very obvious, yes. So, have you caught anything?
No, never have, never will. No fish can live down here in this sludge.
If there aren't any fish in there, why are you fishing? What is that? What's going on?
Because I'm still working up the courage to drown myself.
Yikes, wow, okay. TMI, maybe, a little bit. So, how do you like living down here in the slums? It's sort of colorful down here, at least.
What? Are you serious? This is one of the worst places anyone can live. You can't see that just by looking at it. It's more sludge than anything else, and the sludge is toxic.
Oof, sorry. Yeah, that sludge does look pretty awful.
No, the sludge is the best part. It's the quickest way out. Just hop in there and you got a one-way ticket out of here. Imagine if we didn't have the sludge. Then we'd really be trapped. Anyway, yeah, living here is bad.
You're a wise old fisherman. Can you tell us a little bit about 9 Torg?
Quiet. She's got ears everywhere. Or antennae, whatever ants here with.
Is she really that dangerous? Come on. I mean, she's just one gang lord.
Just one? What about the other 8 Torgs?
Wait, so the 9 and 9 Torg it's a counter? There's 9 Torgs?
9 clones, yep. And that's just what's left. There used to be even more of them, but they always kill each other. Fighting for dominance over what? This hellhole? This month, 9 Torg's in charge. Last month, it was 14 Torg before they killed her. Now 9 Torg's fighting with 5 Torg. It never ends.
Which one do you prefer?
8 Torg is the hottest.
Hey, thanks for the info, wise fisherman. We'll see you later.
Have a good day now.
Oh, hey, you want to see a cool party trick I used to do? Aim me at those platforms. Come on, give it a shot. It'll be fun. Fuck yeah, I told you. Did you see how fun that was? I call it my glob shot. It comes out of my trick hole. All Gatlians have a different kind of trick hole. Mine does this. Boy, you are learning a lot today, aren't you? Yes! Oh my god, I can do this all day. Doesn't this fucking rule? God, I love spewing big gloopy globs. It was a good idea to go in here? What is wrong with you? Whoa, perfect shot! You fucking nailed it! How sick was that? Whew, okay, I gotta recharge. It doesn't take too long, but it's a little longer when there's enemies nearby, you know? My body gets too tense. It's like trying to piss when someone's watching, you know? Shot and then just shoot him in the air and juggle him and I'm just getting warmed up.
They're all dying! We're getting slaughtered! Just be like really weak enemies, like just the ones they put on the game
Exterminated!
strong guys.
I could do this all day. Let's do this all day.
Hey, where'd you go?
Looks like he was die clean only. All right, this has to be the way to 9 Torg. Let's keep moving.
Hey, careful with the merchandise.
Whoa, hold up a bit.
You gotta
Let's
find
listen.
line up and everything. They're gonna be here any minute. Just patient.
Oi, fuck you! I'm sick of this! I want to tear through someone's guts!
Oh, I think they're talking about Jean's knife.
Fuck you!
Got it, freak. We've had enough of your bullshit.
Yeah, it's your fault Stevulax is dead. I was in love with him. Did you know that? I loved him, and now his head's cut off.
Just the way it should be! Fuck him!
Hey, guess what? I have another secret trick you can use. The power of negotiation. Let's try reasoning with these guys. Knock on the door. Tell me how you want to play this.
Fuck you insufferable fucking cunts. When I'm loose, oh, you're not gonna want to...
Who's there? Who are you?
Hey! Hello there, friends.
Oh, I think it's the buyer.
Hey, are you the buyer?
No, I'm just here to do my laundry. It's even clean. I'm a laundry head. Can't stop washing stuff over here.
This room's off limits. Everything you need is in the front. Get out of here.
Good luck with your laundry. I really thought that was going to be the buyer. We don't know what they sound like, so we have no way of knowing if it was them or not.
Okay, I'll just say it. That plan was dumb. I'm willing to accept some of the blame, but don't do any more dumb stuff. Can we try it again and do it right this time?
Okay, this must be the buyer. Hey, buddy, are you the buyer?
No, it's me, your lover Stevulax. I'm back from the dead.
What? Oh my god, baby! You're alive! Your voice sounds different. No.
Let's play along. No shooting.
Wait. You're not my dead lover, Stevulax. You're just a person. Oh, what a good trick. You tricked me. Nice job.
They told us this buyer was a real prankster.
Oh, you. Come on. That was pretty fucked up. That joke is gonna fuck me up.
You got him good. Okay, though, but enough of that. Let's show them the product.
All right, here's the product. A genuine talking knife. I gotta be honest with you. He's a real piece of shit.
He's extremely violent. He basically only talks about wanting to kill people in very disturbing ways.
Fuck you, I'm gonna carve out your anal cavity. Gonna make it 3 times as big. Your shit's just gonna drop right out of there.
See what I'm talking about?
Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for.
Yeah, great. Go ahead. Feel free to inspect it. Try him out. See how he feels in your hand.
Yeah, fucking free me. Let's go. Let's go psycho on these fuckers. Oh, fuck yes, thank you. Pleased to meet you. I'm Knifey. Now use me. Let me fucking stab these cocksucking ants.
Oh,
fuck yes, finally. Yes, fuck yes. More, I need more stabbing. Hey, you, listen. Point me at your raw, fleshy little tummy and jab me right into there. Let's get all those guts torn up. Let's see that fucking red goop spill out. I can't stop now.
Oh, that's a pass for us. Is this really the knife Jean was talking about?
Jean? Did you just say Jean? Okay, change of plans. Bring me to Jean so I can fucking decapitate him!
Wait, what? Why? He sent us to rescue you.
Oh, that's rich. There's no way I'm forgiving him, though, for leaving me with that fucking 9 Torg. He's dead to me!
Huh? You know 9 Torg? We're trying to kill her.
Oh, perfect! Finally, we're on the same page! Let's kill 9 Torg, then Jean!
Okay, definitely 9 Torg, but let's put a pin in the whole Jean thing. How do we get out of here?
With my tether ability! I'm more than just a knife, you racist! I can tether too! Look up and latch on! Yeah, there we go! Fucking cool, right? You gotta use me to swing across this sludge. Oh, fuck yeah! Not as good as stabbing, but still pretty good.
Well, all right. Where to next?
The Sludge Works processing plant. Nine Torg was talking about some traitor she had to deal with. Probably another one of her clones. 5 Torg or 6 Torg or whatever. I don't know. There's too many now. There's too many Torgs.
How many clones are there?
Who the fuck cares? Stop thinking so hard and just look for the big Sludge Works sign. I want to stab somebody. Oh, lug locks! Use me! I can open those fuckers up real good. And there's loot inside for you too. Win-win, yes.
So you mentioned that Jean gave you to Nine Torg?
Cave? Try gamble me away in a game of space poker? That sack of shit? Can't wait to stab all 3 of his fucking eyes. Even the wonky one. Especially the wonky one. Hate that one.
What happened to Gene? Didn't he used to be a hero?
Yeah, used to be. Hard to tell these days, right? Towards the end, the only thing I was cutting for him was sandwiches. Not even the good ones. Peanut butter sandwiches. And no fucking jelly. Not even like ham or anything good.
Nine Torg character's deal anyway?
She's the current matriarch of the Torg family. I say current because they're always killing each other for the top spot. You know how it is with clones.
Hey, you there! You want some treasure?
Is he talking to us?
Here we go. You found the treasure. It wasn't very hard to find, was it? Aren't you glad you listened to me? What's in there? What did you get? Actually, wait. Don't tell me. I don't want to be disappointed. I just hope you enjoy it.
If you're looking for Nine Torg, you're going the wrong way.
What did we find? Or at all?
They look stabbable. I want blood. Yes! Oh, do this every time. Never fire your Gatlian again. Please, just use me for killing now. Making a knife be only any percent brain.
Oh, hey, there's some Gatterall. That'll fill me back up. Oh, thank Jesus. Okay, feed me that Gatterall, baby. Come on, put it in my little mouth. Feed me Gatterall. Oh, Mamma mia, that's the stuff. sludge works. 9 Torg should be here.
The legendary approaches. Tame the fearsome knife of death.
Oh, brother.
Fight my emperor. Fight for your rights and avenge our fallen.
Keep shooting while they're in the air. You can juggle them, and it does more damage, and it looks cool too. Caught up in the moment or something, but hey, good work, team. Let's go get 9 Torg.
Any last words, Spy Torg?
Is that 9 Torg talking?
Fuck off! I've always said you were the worst Torg! You know, 7 Torg said the same thing. Right before I killed her. Damn you! And you're next.
You got this! Wow, we're actually hitting her! Come on, admit it, we're hurting you!
No! Fuck you!
Jesus, it's so gross to even win in there! Yeah, so stop diving into it! Shit, she's filling the place with sludge! Stay in the air!
Better not fall in!
Oh! Well,
Still here. You can still use me if you want. I can deflect attacks. Did you know that? I'm not just all about stabbing. Well, I'm mostly all about stabbing and tethering, but I can also deflect attacks. I'll slice them the fucking dead. I'll cut their fucking heads off. I'll rip their limbs. I'll fucking do everything. I'll cut their fucking asshole off.
what are you doing?
gonna be a jump for a sidestep.
Take that!
I'm going out. I'm taking you with me.
Just stay alive. I think she's basically done for.
Hey, nice work killing 9 Torg.
Thanks! Wow, we killed a bounty. How do you feel, bounty hunter? I feel pretty good. I really didn't know if we'd be able to pull it off.
All right, it's time.
Time for what?
Time to carve out a piece of her. I'm thinking we go with a full slab of thigh meat, but since it's your first, I'll let you pick.
Jesus, are you kidding?
What kind of bounty hunters don't know that you've got to bring back proof of the kill to get paid?
Oh, God.
Don't be such a goddamn baby. I'll do all the messy work. Just go up to a corpse and let me go wild.
Oh, God, I can't look. I can't.
Oh, fuck hell, she's a gusher.
Couldn't we have just taken, like, a fingernail, some spit, maybe a blood sample?
Yeah, sure. Could have, I guess.
Hey, I'm 5 Torg. Thank you for killing my evil clone. I don't mind if you mutilate her corpse, really. It's fine. You did such a good job. That was, like, off the hook.
You're not gonna take over and end up being just as evil as 9 Torg, right?
Oh, don't worry. Things are gonna be a lot different around here.
So, no more crime then?
Oh, not that different then. Technically, all of us Torgs are evil clones, so I'm still gonna do a bunch of crime. But we're cool.
Huh?
Far as I'm concerned, you're a friend of the Torg family and welcome here anytime. An honorary Torg. You can be 10 Torg. Now, if you'll excuse me, my day just became very full.
Are you gonna be okay if we just kind of leave you hanging up there?
Oh, yeah, I can get down just fine. Hanging from ropes feels nice for my species. Hey, it's good for our backs. I'm actually the one who put myself here. Thanks for the rescue. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna hang here for a bit. Yeah, next time you come back, I'll be off being really busy running everything and, doing stuff. Because, yeah.
Let's go home and turn in our first bounty. Ow, I know this is hurting you too, so get the fuck out of this shit! Hey, that was some pretty solid bounty hunting back there. I mean, don't get too cocky about it or anything, but it was pretty cool.
Yeah, not bad. That was some good killing. And I'm somewhat of a killing expert, actually.
I can't wait to see Gene's face when he sees we pulled this off. Let's head back up through the slums tunnel. Bothered attacking us. I almost feel bad. Hey, feel free to keep exploring, but whenever you're ready, we just gotta go through the tunnel that we came here in. You know, that tunnel?
gag and take me to Gene and let's stab him in the gut. Wow. Christopher Walken? Hey, I'm walking here. This is New York City. Yeah, pretty good, right? Ah, the translator mic, Chris. We're thinking about two different people, but same kind of thing, same kind of idea.
What's it like up there? You gotta tell me.
No, calm down. Nope.
Oh, hey. I'm still here.
Oh, you're back. Hey, yeah, my leg's still very broken.
Welcome back to my amazing place.
I'm still pissed at you!
Hey, I hope you had a good time in the slums. Come visit any time.
Just don't talk to me.
There's something plaguing our city far worse than any of those issues. Cold, hard drugs.
Oh, don't mind us, dead luglocks. We're just rifling around in your guts real quick.
It doesn't have to be this way. As Chancellor, under my 5-year plan, drugs will be...
Hello?
Hi, is this Slippo's Pizza? I want a pizza now! I want it right now! Do you get me? Not in 30 minutes or less or whatever. I need it instantaneous! And I know we have the tech for that. Why are you still delivering pizzas by foot? Just zap them to me. There's like 10 different ways you can do it by now. Portal door, warp base, anything. I don't care. Just get it to me right now. Wait. Never mind. I'm not hungry. Bye. Watch it, why don't you?
Yeah, good thing you like running so much, huh?